Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading the story of Peter Pan, one of my favorite movies. And this is a pop-up book. Let's open it. Okay, whoa! Let's begin. All children grow up, except one, whose name is Peter Pan. Peter would visit Wendy in the nursery while her brothers slept. But this time, they were wide awake. "See, Michael? See, John? He is real," said Wendy. "Hello," said Peter. "I've come to take you to Neverland. But first, you'll need to fly. Tinker Bell here will give you fairy dust." "Hooray!" they shouted. Wow, they're off to Neverland. And that's Peter Pan and Tinker Bell and Wendy and John and Michael holding his teddy. Yes, and Tinker Bell has fairy dust that's gonna make them fly to Neverland. Let's see how it goes. Whoa! Okay. Soon the children were zooming through the air. It felt wonderful. In no time, they saw Neverland shimmering below. "How perfectly beautiful," said Wendy. Peter said, "Don't let your eyes fool you. It is very dangerous. An evil pirate named Captain Hook is looking for me." "Why?" asked John. "I cut off his hand in a sword fight," Peter replied, "and now he has a horrible iron hook." "How awful," said Michael. "Wow, Peter Pan has gotten into some trouble." "There was a ship where Captain Hook lives, and that is wonderful Neverland. Oh, and that's a cave that looks like a skull. Whoa, I wonder what'll happen. Let's find out." The children settled into a blissful life in Neverland. But when Captain Hook found out how happy they were, he became enraged and kidnapped them. Peter arrived just in time. He drew his sword and nicked Hook's arm in the fight. Hook, horrified at the sight of his own blood, jumped overboard. Little did he know that a crocodile was in the water. Wow, do you see what's happening here? Yes, Captain Hook, that's his hook right there, kidnapped the children. But Peter Pan saved them with Tinker Bell, and whoa, there goes the alligator or the crocodile, and it's gonna chomp on Captain Hook. Oh, thank you, Peter. Peter saved the day. Yes, they look very happy. Wow, look at that. It had been a great adventure, but soon the children realized they missed their parents terribly. "We must return to London," Wendy announced. Peter said, "I will take you, but I'm not staying." So with Tinker Bell's help, the great ship rose out of the water. "Second to the right and then straight on till morning," shouted Peter. And they flew into the night sky, filled with hundreds of stars. Oh, it's time to go. And they left on Captain Hook's ship with the treasure. And they flew up, up, up into the night sky, back to London. What a great adventure they had with Peter Pan. But they missed their parents, so they went back home. Wow. And that's the story of Peter Pan. Yay! Have you seen the movie Peter Pan? Oh, well, if you haven't, I recommend that you do. It has really cool music and it's fun to watch. Yes. Until next time, bye, book friends.